Children, in our previous class, we learned the grammar part from the textbook. What is it? Plural nouns and possessive nouns. Okay, now let us learn it deeply. Okay. Children, what are possessive nouns? Possessive nouns are those nouns that show possession. Possessive nouns are used to show ownership. Rule number 1. In singular nouns, the person, place, thing or idea. Okay, we add apostrophe and s after the noun. For example, Ron's car is in the garage. It gives the means. See here, car belonging to Ron is in the garage. Rule number 2. In singular nouns ending with s, we add an apostrophe and s to the noun. Okay, for example, Tom's notebook is lying on the table. Here it means notebook of Tom is lying on the table. Okay. Children, let us do use grammar exercise from this textbook. See here, trace the objects to their owners. See, tracing is very easy, but when I ask the question, you should think twice before answering that. Because, see, here for example, this is Bipin. This is bat. Okay? Whose bat is this? How you will say the answer? This is Bipin's bat. Here we are using possessive noun because this bat belongs to this person. Who is the person here? Bipin. Okay. In the same manner, we have to do remaining objects to their owners. We have to trace the objects to their owners. Here I have given already an example. This is Bipin's bat. And see here, this is Jaya's umbrella. This is Jaya's umbrella. And here, this is Robbie's backpack. What is this? This is Robbie's backpack. See here, what is this? This is football. Okay. Whose football is this? Yes, Mary's football. This is Mary's football. So this side we have completed, and let us see the second side. See here, Lucky. What is this? Water bottle. Whose water bottle is this? This is Lucky's water bottle. So we have to trace here. And next, Ekta. What is this? Book. Whose book is this? This is Ekta's book. Next, Swami. Swami, and here this is T-shirt. Okay. So we have to trace the object to their owner. At the same time, how you will say? Whose T-shirt is this? This is Swami's T-shirt. And finally see here, Ali. What is this? Racket. Whose racket is this? Ali's rocket. This is Ali's rocket. Okay. Here we have completed this exercise successfully. Let us check the next exercise. Children, before doing this exercise, let us see the persons from the exercise. Who is this? Father. Who is this? Mother. Who is this? Varun. And who is this? Tina. And finally, who is this? Baby. See, Tina is playing with truck. Varun is painting with a paintbrush. Mother is writing with a pen and father is reading a book and the baby is playing with a rattle. Okay, let us see the objects now. What are the objects here? They have given a truck, a rattle, book, pen and paintbrush. Now let us get into the exercise. See here children, look at the picture above and write whose things are shown in the pictures given below. See, already we discussed about the persons and the things also. Now let us write by using the possessive noun. Okay. See, for example, they have given here Tina's truck. See, Tina is playing with a truck. So this is Tina's truck, right? In the same way, let us describe the other persons and things also. Okay. Our next person is Varun. Whose paintbrush is this? Varun's paintbrush. Yes or no? So let us write here. See, always when you are writing a person name, the first letter will be the capital letter. So here, whose paintbrush is this? Varun's. So we have to use an apostrophe and S. So Varun's paintbrush. Okay. Now let us check the next one. See, what is this? Book. Whose book is this? See in the picture. Who is reading the book? Father. So whose book is this? Father's. So let us write father's book. Okay. Let us check the fourth one here. See here, what is this? Pen. Whose pen is this? Mother's. So we have to write here mother's pen. What we have to write here? Mother's pen. Okay. Let us check the last one. What is this? This is a rattle. Who is playing with this? Baby. So whose rattle is this? Baby's rattle. Okay, so I think now you came to know how to write the objects which are belongs to the person. Okay, let us get into the next exercise. Our next exercise is write well. See here the picture. What happened here? To know about this picture, let us see the exercise. Have you ever missed your school bus or forgotten something at home that you had to take to school? Write at least 10 sentences about the event. See how to write about that situation. They have given 3 key points here. What happened, what the result was, how you felt. So try to write 10 sentences about the exercise. Okay. For example, see, I was glad that unlike other days, I had reached the bus stop well before time. I stood with my friends and waited for the bus to come along. One of my friends began talking about the drawing of the solar system we had to make in our science notebook. It was when that I remembered I had left my science notebook on my study table at home. I rushed back home to get it. I pushed open the gate and ran up the stairs. I could just say science notebook to my surprised mother and picked up the notebook from the table. I ran back to the bus stop, but it was too late. I saw the rear of the bus fading in the distance. I slowly walked back home, hoping my father or my mother would drive me down to school. Okay, in the same manner, you can also write 10 sentences about this situation. Okay? Okay children, let us meet in our next class and okay children, let us meet in our next class with a new topic. Okay children? Thank you.